Hello, today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a gun lock. Okay, first things first, make sure that your weapon is on safe. Take out the magazine. Pull back your charging handle and your bolt and visually inspect that there's not a round in the chamber. Flip it around, pull it back again, and lock your bolt back. Now we're going to open our lock. We're going to stick the cable into the chamber and down through the magazine well, just like this. Lock your lock. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.